In today's video, we installed the 10-gallon fresh water tank running on the 12-volt system, the 5-gallon water heater, and everything's run on PEX plumbing. This was my first time using PEX plumbing, and I've got to say I definitely prefer it over the traditional PVC. I was also able to get a couple coats of stain and seal on all of the cabinets, and from there we just added a couple fresh coats of paint to the interior. This is usually where you're gonna catch me and this little girl taking a break. It's the good thing about having a couch and a couple fans. At least you have somewhere to chill out and relax and stare at your project. Try to find inspiration to keep going. Anyways, all right, let's get back to it. What's going on, everybody? All right, so in this video we basically wrapped up all of the exterior finishes. We got the aluminum siding back on, we got all the windows back in, we've got everything sealed up for the most part, and we've got about 95% of the interior done. All we've really got left is to install the air conditioning system and run that a very specific way. I'll kind of show that in the last video that we post. Other than that, we've got a few interior finishes and a little bit of decorating, and this thing's pretty much done, other than paint. Obviously, paint is the big one. We are not keeping it this exterior tarnished, faded look. We're going to revamp the entire paint, color scheme, all that good stuff, and come up with something that's pretty cool that we like. Super excited. Remember, this is a weekend project for me. I don't really get to this thing as often as I'd like, so I apologize if I haven't been getting the videos out in a timely manner. But I've been getting good feedback. I really appreciate it from you guys, especially on Instagram. You can check it out at The Heights Build on Instagram. And there's a lot more detailed information on there. It's just easier for me to post clips and photos and things like that. When it comes to these videos, it's just me, sometimes the dog, occasionally my wife helps out. But for the most part, it's me and one camera. And you know how it is when you're building things. You don't always want to stop to get those detailed shots. You want to kind of figure out the process and make sure what you're doing is actually going to work first. So I do my best with these types of videos. But again, there's more info on Instagram, a little more detail. I can't wait to get this thing out and go camping, finish everything up, finish up the trim and paint, and move on to the next video. I'll pretty much post one more video after this. It will be a final before and after kind of situation, so I'll show a little bit of the before and then the absolute finished end result. So that'll be the next video. Everything will be done, and then we actually have another project coming up that's pretty similar. As soon as I finish this, I'm going to get started on that one, so keep an eye out for that too. But otherwise, if you've liked these videos, as always, like everyone says, please like and subscribe. It really does help the process. I know myself personally, I'm always looking at everyone else's channels to see what they're working on and building for ideas and inspiration, and it definitely helps out. So if you could do that for me, that'd be great. If not, just enjoy the content, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.